Hey guys, it's Catherine, and today, hanging out with Grandma today. Say hi, Grandma. And we are making coconut shrimp in the air fryer. So, looks pretty easy. Actually, it's very easy. We have our shrimp with salt and pepper, flour, egg and milk, and then we have coconut, panko, and a little bit of butter. So I'm gonna start getting those coated, show you how to do it, and put them in the air fryer. All right, guys. All right, guys, so we are done making them, and they look delicious. So now we're gonna put them in the air fryer, and you put one shelf on the top, one shelf on the bottom. Let's see, I'm gonna show you really quick. Let's see. And we're gonna set it to bake for 8 minutes. And then halfway through, we're gonna switch it. So let me show you what it looks like.
Okay.
There you go, guys.
Isn't that pretty?
So we're gonna shut the door. We're gonna set it to bake right there. I'm gonna hit select. Oh, wait, hang on. I turned it real quick. There we go. Change it to 8 minutes. Hit start. And then it'll beep halfway through for me to switch the shelves, and then they'll be done. All right, be back soon. All right, guys, we are done. Wait till you see this shrimp. Delicious. Oh my goodness gracious. I can't wait to try. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Have a great day and enjoy this recipe.